Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper Christmas tree. This model is actually not that hard to make and you don't need to use glue. In this model you can vary the amount of layers as well as the size. For example, in this smaller one, the tree is only 6 centimeters tall, a little more than 2 inches. In this video I'll use these paper sizes. There are 5 paper squares, 4 green and 1 brown. Let's start with the green part, with the branches. Well, first of all, we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals, like a letter X. Let's start by bringing one corner to the other and crease sharply. Unfold. Now fold in the opposite direction and repeat the same steps. Okay, we have our X. Let's turn it over. And now we need to fold in half, horizontally and vertically. First horizontal, by bringing the bottom side to the top. And now vertical, by bringing the right side to the left. Okay, turn it over again, and now close by pushing the 4 sides to the center. So you're going to close it like a square, leaving 2 flaps on each side. And now, holding in this position, on the first layer, we are going to bring the bottom corner to the top, making this crease here. Let's turn the paper and repeat the same step. Just bring the corner up and reinforce. Once done, let's close these last 2 folds, opening the other 2 sides. Once closed, just like before, let's fold the bottom corner up and then on the other side. Finishing these steps, we can completely unfold . Now, pay close attention. Here on the top, on the left side, we need to bring this diagonal crease to this one. And crease sharply. And now back here we have some extra paper. We are going to use it to create a kind of a lock. So you just need to fold to the left inside this space here. And now on the other side, as you can see, the paper is now closed like a triangle. We just need to rotate and repeat the same on the other three. So just like before, first we need to close this part by bringing the diagonal creases together. Then fold the extra paper behind, creating a lock. Go to the next one. Diagonals together. And then fold the back layer inside. The last one is almost the same, it's just a little bit harder to fit, so pay close attention. Again, you just need to close this triangle. Just like this. But now on the other side, if you want, you can just try to fit the extra paper inside the pocket, but to make it easier, I recommend that you first fold a little bit of the corner, like this, and then use a ruler, a pencil, or anything else to push it inside. In my opinion, this way is much easier and saves a lot of time. Now our first layer of branches is ready. You can make 3 or 4 more, or as many as you like. Now, for the trunk part, the beginning is the same. First, let's fold in half along both diagonals, making a letter X. Then turn it over, fold in half horizontally and vertically. Turn it over again, and close by pushing the 4 sides to the middle. From now on, it's a little different. Keeping the open side down, let's bring the diagonal edge from the top to the middle. So just bring the paper like this, only on the first layer. Reinforce very well. And unfold. Now, using the lines we just made, we need to open the same layer, then flatten the paper, and close back to the right. Here on the left we need to repeat the same. So first bring the top edge to the middle, then open, and reverse. The front side is ready. Let's turn it over and repeat the same with the other two. Bring the top edges, the closed edges, to the middle, then reverse using the new creases. Here on the bottom side we will fold almost like the green part. First we need to fold the corner up, connecting these two corners. You can unfold if you want. Now turn it over. Repeat the same on the other. And then open the two other sides. And do the same. Once done, rotate in this position, open a little bit, and now let's repeat the same we made on the green part. First let's bring this diagonal to the other on the right, reinforce a little, and now we are going to have to fold this extra paper into this space here, right before the next corner, leaving the layers between closed. Okay, the first side is ready. Let's go to the next. As before, first we need to close this part. Then we fold inside, locking the middle layers. Let's go to the next. Here maybe some parts will unfold, but that's fine. We can fix everything in the end. To do the last one, you can just repeat the same step, but there is a trick that might make it easier. You will close the paper as before, and then fold inside the first pocket, without locking the layers. Undo, and then you will fit much more easily into the correct layer. The trunk is ready! The only thing left is to put all the pieces together. Just fit the end of the trunk inside the larger green piece, and then fit the other pieces on top. And now our paper Christmas tree is ready! Now that you understand the logic, you can make your own variation, you can use your creativity and create even better results. I really hope you liked this video. If so, remember to click like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!